Hello, Unifii people. This is Troy Chambers for your weekend review for November 4th to the 10th for the advanced Binance signals. Let's begin, of course, with the disclaimer. As usual, I want you guys to always consider that trading is risky and do not risk capital that you cannot afford to lose. Past results is in no way a guarantee of future performance. With that, let's move on to our step-by-step trading with Binance, which can be found in the back office and in the Telegram chat group. This is our week here, and this is what she looks like here. Nice short week, not that many trades. So we'll begin the week here with covering our last trade of last week, which was a buy at 63.81. Our next signal for that new week is on November 5th. And of course it is a sell at 10:02 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It came in at 64.53. And there she is there. So it's a nice little trade here. So we bought down here at the bottom. She rose up nicely and she peaked up right over here. And we could have moved our stops up as she did make this little gain and put it 2% below the highs. But the signals did catch it in a nice spot at 64.53 was the best price available, for our stops being placed at 2% of 65.82 and 3% of 66.46. This trade resulted in a nice little gain of 1.12%. But from this point forward, we're going to assume we're starting the week with 1 BTC just for ease of calculations to show you what the week has produced or not produced. So our next trade still on November 5th at 10:02 p.m. It's for a buy at 64.59. And there it is there. Signal number 2. There's our sell that we had there. The best price available for this signal came in at 64.60 with stops at 2% of 63.30 and 62.66. Unfortunately, this one resulted in a bit of a loss of 0.0011 BTC. Next signal is going to be on November 7th at 10:02 p.m. That price came in at 65.23. Signal number 3. There's our buy at 63.81. And the best price available for this one is 65.25. So again, this nice little trade. We bought down below in this little valley. She did a nice little move up. And as you can see, she peaked out at about 66.10 and then came back down a little bit. You could have moved your stops from this high, 2% lower, which would have been down here. But the signal came in at 65.25 for still a really nice gain. Stop losses are replaced at 66.55 and 67.20 for 3%. This trade resulted in a nice gain of 1%. Next signal was actually a phantom signal on November 7th. So whenever this happens, always double check in the back office and just to make sure that there is no change in the signal, because we had a signal at 10:02 p.m. and then one 4 minutes later. Now if you go into the back office and you see a new signal, then you would take it. If you do not see a new signal, do not take this as a change. Okay, this is a Telegram error that does happen occasionally. But the actual signal did come in at November 9th at 10:02 p.m. for 64.50 for a buy. And there she is there, signal number 4. All right, best price available for this one is 64.52 with stops placed at 63.22 and 62.58. This one produced a nice little gain in BTC of 0.0113. All right, next signal, and believe it or not, last signal, November 10th at 4:02 p.m. And that came in at 64.33. Signal number 5. There's our buy from previous. Best price available for this one was the same price, because as you can see, this is a very flat market. Stops would be placed at 65.61 and 66.26. The trade result for this one, unfortunately, was a little bit of a loss of 0.29%. So yeah, it was a short week, only 5 signals, but we did make some profits. Total number of trades is 5, 3 winning trades, 2 losing trades. Our BNB fees are 24.33. Profit and loss is a profit of $66. Dollar-wise, 1.02%. And BTC gain, which is what is the most important over buy and hold, we actually gained 0.0102. As usual, people, I want you to always be disciplined and happy trading. Thank you very much, and I look forward to talking to you next week. Thanks.